An electronics engineer is a professional who designs, develops, tests, and maintains electronic equipment and systems. This field focuses on the use of electronic components such as transistors, diodes, integrated circuits, and printed circuit boards to create a wide range of devices and systems. Key responsibilities of electronics engineers include circuit design, designing and developing electronic circuits for various applications, ensuring they function as intended and meet required specifications. Product development, creating electronic products such as smartphones, computers, medical devices, and consumer electronics. This involves working from the conceptual stage through to prototyping and production. Testing and troubleshooting, testing electronic systems and components to ensure they operate correctly and meet quality standards. This includes diagnosing and fixing issues with existing products. Embedded systems, designing and programming embedded systems, which are integrated into larger systems to control specific functions, such as in automotive, industrial, and medical applications. Signal processing, working with analog and digital signals, designing systems to process and interpret these signals for applications such as communications, audio, and video processing. Microelectronics, developing and working with very small electronic components and systems, including microchips and integrated circuits. Research and development, conducting research to innovate and improve electronic technologies, staying abreast of advancements in the field. Project management, managing projects to develop electronic products, including planning, scheduling, budgeting, and coordinating with other engineers and professionals. Quality control, ensuring that electronic products meet industry standards and regulatory requirements for safety and performance. Electronics engineers work in various industries, including telecommunications, consumer electronics, healthcare, automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. Their work is essential for the development and maintenance of electronic devices and systems that are integral to modern life. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.